this is going to be a left folding arm for you gentlemen, okay? A left, and she's going to your left. You're going to open this up just a little bit at the very beginning to get to that position. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take it from this angle, all right? So we've got slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nicely done. All right, let's take it from here. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. Remember guys, it's about keeping your rhythm, keep the change of weight, all right? So let's do this one back to you. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. All right, now the Monica's back to you. Ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nicely done. Okay. Once more, another pattern underneath your belt. So go ahead and go practice. Look at that private lesson style video to get more detail. Other than that, practice